Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp to send emails. We'll begin by exploring the Mailchimp platform, which helps millions of businesses connect with their customers. You'll learn to navigate the dashboard and understand its key sections. We'll also cover the essential first step, building your audience. This foundational knowledge will set you up for successful email campaigns, ensuring your messages reach the right people. Now, let's focus on building your audience, which is crucial for effective communication. You can easily import existing contacts using a CSV file or by copying and pasting. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria, like engagement or demographics, ensuring your emails are highly relevant. Managing subscriber preferences helps maintain a healthy list and improves deliverability. A well-organized audience is the backbone of any successful email strategy. Worms, on the other hand, are designed to spread independently across networks. They exploit security vulnerabilities in operating systems or applications to replicate themselves from one computer to another. Unlike viruses, worms do not require a host program or any user interaction to spread. A single worm can infect hundreds or even thousands of machines in a very short period, often within minutes. Finally, let's cover sending your email campaigns and analyzing their performance. You can schedule your emails to go out at the best times for your audience, maximizing open rates. Before sending, Mailchimp provides a comprehensive review to catch any errors. After your campaign is sent, dive into the detailed reports to see open rates, click-through rates, and more. These insights are invaluable for refining future campaigns and continuously improving your email marketing strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.